4 to 7 with Just Plain Darren.
Yeah, thanks for having me. So we've just launched our new flagship gate motor, which is called the D5 Smart. So it's the evolution of the D5 Evo, which is probably the best known gate motor in South Africa, with theft of gate motors becoming a big business. So we needed to address these. We came up with two really cool things on the motor, and one being a built-in vibration sensor. So this actually, not only if the gate motor itself is tampered with, but if the gate is rattled or lifted, it will send off a notification, which you can link up nicely to one of our GSM devices, which can go through to your alarm system, your alarm company. It can go to a sound bomb or a siren, and you can get a notification on your phone for it. The other thing, obviously, is just looking at the kind of the breaking and the stealing of the gate motors. We've come out with
Do people actually steal gates?
They don't steal gates, but they steal gate motors, and there's a big
the motor. Okay, there's
big
demand
black
for
market
it. Yeah.
demand for it. Fortunately, with us being kind of market leaders, we're susceptible to quite a few of our products being taken.
Yeah.
So we came up with patented pending anti-theft cage or theft deterrent cage, which actually still rods that go through the gearbox.
Okay.
So now if you break that, you break the gearbox, rendering the motor useless, and then the second-hand market or black market then kind of not worth it.
Yeah.
Time and problems. So
it's amazing. It's something as simple as gate motors is now actually having to also think about all these things to try and stay ahead of the the security game, because
sure.
I mean, that's, as you say, they either lift it off the mechanism or they tamper with the motor or whatever it might be. That's unfortunately the reality that we live with today.
100% it is.
Yeah.